Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new mini wireless speaker. You can see simply loud and clear. It is a MZ. We believe in quality. You can see MZ speaker. So let's unbox this. And it is has phone call, USB, power, music, FM radio. So unbox it. First here you get USB to micro USB charging cable, and here it is the speaker. You will MZTM, and here are modes: phone call, DC 5V port, aux, and TF. It has TF also, and one microphone. So let's open it.
Welcome to MC Music World.
And
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
so first let's connect it.
Connected.
And friends, you can see it is now connected successfully. And let's play any music.
Mobile games revenue with rewarded ads.
Friends, you can see its bass and is very good. It is very loud. That is written on the box. You can see it is simply loud and clear. That is true. It is very loud and clear sound. You can purchase it from my given link. I have given the link in my description. You can buy from there. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.